Editing 24/7. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change picture in Canva. So I have taken this like random template. So I'm going to show you how to change picture in here. So yeah, without any further ado, let's dive right in. In order to change the picture, okay, let's choose a picture first. Let's go to the uploads and choose any of the picture. Let's say I want to choose this one. Simply drag and drop it here. And you can simply tap in here and hit tap it in here, delete, and you can simply put it here according to the frame or the preference. And simply here also you can simply go to the uploads and drag another picture, put it over here. And as you can see, since you drag and drop it here, yeah, this is how you change the picture. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.